Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing how we learn and teach. AI can personalize and enhance the educational experience using algorithms and data analysis. One of the most exciting applications of AI in education is adaptive learning. This technology can analyze a student's learning style and ability and tailor lessons accordingly. This means students can learn at their own pace with personalized resources. AI is also helping with formative assessments. Teachers can track student progress in real time, ensuring they understand everything before moving on. They can also see where most of their class is struggling and produce relevant materials. Another excellent use of AI in education is intelligent tutoring systems. These programs can predict which topics will be more difficult for students and offer help before they even encounter problems. Teachers can also use AI to grade students' work more efficiently. This allows more individualized attention and focus on individual needs. AI will not replace teachers, but it can make their jobs more accessible and effective. With so much data available, teachers can more easily identify what needs to be taught and how to teach it. In conclusion, AI is changing the future of both teaching and learning. By personalizing instruction and providing more individualized attention, students will learn more efficiently. As more education systems embrace AI, we can expect improved outcomes and a brighter future for everyone. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.